I ask you, how can I help them see? To open their eyes so that they may see. How can I help them hear? To open their ears to the words they need. They raised me, and I love them so much, and know they love me. But times are passing, and I know this life's short, and when it all ends, where will we all be? Mom believes every doctrine she hears. Bless her heart, she tries, but Christ is the way. He stands there at the door. Why won't she come in? That's what He's there for. Lord, this prayer's for Mom and Dad. What else can I do? Please, dear God, come into their hearts, 'cause I want them in heaven too. They both don't have much time left, so could you please hurry? I'll do my part. Please take my hand, I can't help but worry. Then there's Dad, a tender heart has he, but false preachers came into his small town when he was 23 and preached for money, and this he did see. Now he sees only what he wants to, and his vision's blurred. Please let him know, God, that you are really real, and open his eyes and his soul please seal. Lord, this prayer's for Mom and Dad. What else can I do? Please, dear God, come into their hearts, 'cause I want them in heaven.